Okay, still your favorite maths teacher. Here we go. Conversion of numbers in base 10 to base 2. This is just like the reverse of the first one. So let's see how it goes. Solution. We want to convert 54 base 10 to base 2. 54 base 10 to base 2, which is a number in binary. So we go. Solution. You write your 54. Here you go. Write 2. Because you are converting to base 2. So 2 goes here is 27. Then you put this letter R stands for remainder. Now, even though there is no remainder in 54 divided by 2, you write 0 to show that there is nothing left. So 2 divided by 54 is 27, remainder 0. Then 2 again. 2 inside 2 is 1. 2 inside 7 is 3. And remainder 1. You see? So we go 2. 2 inside 13 is under 12. That's 6, remainder 1. 2 inside 6. 2 inside 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 inside 3 is 1, remainder 1. And 2 inside 0 is not possible, so you write a 0, remainder 1. Then you draw an arrow upward. So you read from the bottom to the top. You read from the bottom to the top. So you go like this. You read from this bottom upward. Therefore, 54 base 10 in binary equals to 110 and then 110, 110, 110, 110, 110 base 2. Thank you very much. If you find this video impactful, deem it free to subscribe, share, like, and tell the world about it. Thank you. Love you. Okay, welcome back once again. Still on the same topic. Now, looking at the second example, we have convert 11 base 10 to base 2. 11 base 10 to base 2. So, solution goes thus. 11 base 10. So, what do? Read a line like this. You cross it this way. 11. Since you're converted to base 2, you use 2 to divide all through. 2 divided by 11 is under 10, and that is 5 times. Then we have remainder 1. 2 inside 5 is under 4. Excuse me, no, under 4. 2 inside 5 is 2. Remainder 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 0. Now, 2 divided by 1, it cannot. You write 0. Remainder 1. That's this one. Like I said earlier on, you read from the bottom to the top. Notes. Read your answer from the bottom to the top. Take note of that. So, you read your answer from the bottom to the top. So, therefore, 11 base 10 equals to, we go 10, 10, 10, 11, 11. Then you write base 2. You can either write your 2 in a number like this or figure like this, or in words, TWO2. Thank you very much. I still remain your favorite maths teacher. Love you. Deem it free to subscribe, share, and tell the world about it. Love you.